Welcome to the new patient pavilion at Riddle Hospital, designed to modernize our campus with contemporary facilities and the latest technology to match Mainline Health and Riddle Hospital's reputation for high-quality, compassionate care. The new 5-story, 230,000 square foot patient pavilion is the cornerstone of an overall campus revitalization and modernization project. The pavilion will open in summer 2023 and will be followed with enhancements and renovations of critical care units in our existing hospital. Upon entering the pavilion, patients and visitors are welcomed into an expansive, light-filled atrium. During this tour, you will find that every feature of the pavilion's sophisticated design was thoughtfully planned to create a healing environment and enhance patient privacy, comfort, and satisfaction, and advance care delivery and efficiency. 76 private patient rooms, each well-appointed with a large picture window, sleep sofa, ensuite bathroom, and room service offerings. Each room is acuity adaptable, which means they may be converted to critical care rooms should the need arise. A state-of-the-art surgical suite with 10 new operating rooms, advanced robotic technology, and 3 procedural suites. Consultation rooms and family areas. Negative pressure isolation rooms to prevent airborne infection. Maternity unit and Level 2 neonatal intensive care unit. Physical therapy gym for rehabilitation, inpatient pharmacy, radiology, and laboratory for diagnosis and treatment. Patient and visitor amenities include a cafe, coffee shop, and gift shop, free wireless internet, expanded garage and valet parking, expanded patient access registration area, plus a larger pre-admission testing area. The second floor focuses on advanced surgical care. Our new surgical department quadrupled the size of our existing space. There you'll find a well-appointed registration and waiting area. Our surgical department includes pre- and post-op units, 10 operating suites, and 3 procedural rooms. It also features the latest imaging and robotic surgical technology, allowing our surgeons to perform complex procedures with more precision and control. The pavilion's innovative design will transform how the Riddle Hospital team communicates and delivers care. Private consultation rooms and family areas are available to discuss treatment plans with loved ones. The layout is uniquely designed to maximize caregiver visibility and access to our patients. The new maternity unit features expansive labor and delivery suites and postpartum rooms, dedicated C-section operating rooms, and a Level 2 neonatal intensive care unit to treat our tiniest patients. A highlight of the new pavilion at Riddle Hospital are the private patient rooms designed to meet the space and privacy needs of our patients and families, while enhancing their comfort during inpatient stays or recovery from surgery. Our patients' road to recovery continues in the rehabilitation gym. The gym is just one area of our pavilion with views of our green rooftop, a natural and restorative environment. The new pavilion at Riddle Hospital is distinctively designed to promote a healing and safe environment to enhance the experience for patients, visitors, physicians, and staff, helping us meet the needs of the communities we so proudly serve. At Mainline Health, you're more than a patient, you're a neighbor, which makes treating you the most honorable thing we'll ever do. To learn more, visit mainlinehealth.org/Riddle Modernization.